Hey guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video I'm going to teach you how you can create a login and also registration form using HTML and CSS3. So here is a project that we will create inside the video. So very simple input field, and then you need to enter the password, but you can't able to log in the user because this is a only design based video. So if you don't have an account, you can click on the register now, then you are able to see register.html page. So if you have a account, so you can click on that, you are able to see login page. So we will create this one page, this one project using HTML and CSS3. So let's get started. I'm going to close my project, and here is a project files. Inside there I have index.html and style.css. In the style.css have a pop-ins fonts with different sizes like 300, 400, 600, and I have box icons, so we will use them inside our input fields. So let's get started to create a project. Write the container, and inside there I'm going to add the content. Inside the content I'm going to add the first we're going to create a register, not login form. H2 leave the action, and then so inside there I'm going to add the input field, and then placeholder will be please. I just use enter your user name or email. Then I'm going to add that will be input type password, and placeholder enter your password. Then I'm going to add the extra, this is the div. Inside there I'm going to add the button tag, and use type will be button, use login and a href. This is a link, so forget password. Right, so after the closing div, inside the form tag I will use paragraph tag and write the if you don't have account, then I'm going to add that will be a href register now. This is a link, right? So this is our page, so right click it and then open that on the browser, and let's see how we can design that. So I go to style.css. I already included the style.css, and we will just design that. So reset the property, padding 0 and margin will be 0. Then box sizing, border box, and also I'm going to use font family will be pop-ins / sans serif, right? Then I'm going to select the body, and I want to display the content in the center, so I will use display property flex, align item will be center, justify content will be center, and then I'm going to use min height will be 100 vh. Then my content will appear in the center of the page. Perfect. Then I'm going to select the container like this one. So we need to assign the max width will be 500, just like 500 pixel, width will be 100%, and I'm going to use background will be RGB 38, 50, 56, save, right. And I'm going to use color will be white. Also use border radius to round at the corner of the particular section or particular page. So let's see, right. Then I'm going to select the content. Inside the content here all of the data, like those data. So we just use a padding to make a space. I just use rem to make a space. And also I will use border box shadow inside my main page. 5 pixel, 5 pixel, 8 pixel, RGB 0 red and 0 green, 0 blue and 0.6, right. Let's target the content h2 tag, and I'm going to use font size will be 2.5 rem, and I just use margin bottom will be 1.5 rem. Save, right. Then we're going to select the input field. The input will appear in the content with 100%, and I'm going to use use padding just a minute, 0.6 rem and left and right 2.8 rem, because I will use the just a minute, I use input field because I will use the icons inside there, so I use the left and right 2.8 rem, right. I think everything is perfect right now. Then I'm going to use border will be none, and outline also none. Font size I'm going to use 0.9 rem. So right. I also use margin bottom to make a space. 1 rem. Perfect. So let's add the icons. So I will use the icons input field, and before the input field I will use div, assign the class icons. Inside the icons I will use icon name, class bx user, and also I will use the class name icon. We will manage it using CSS. So sir, the icon user icon has been appeared inside my page, so I will use same thing, copy and paste after the input field. Then I just change the icon name. So we have seen the user and also lock password or lock icon, so we need to manage it, right. So we just call the icons class. First we need to use icons, and we need to use position relative. Color I'm gonna use 38@E3C, right, and I'm gonna use font size will be 1.8 rem. Right, perfect. Then I select the icon class and use position will be absolute. Save, perfect. And we need to use left 10 pixel. Save, and top I'm gonna use will be 60, not 60, 0.6. 6 pixel is the best, right. So we are able to use that like this one. So everything is clear on there. Then we're gonna select the button tag, container, content, form, and button tag. And the button tag I'm gonna use padding top and bottom will be 0.5 rem, left and right 2 rem. Save, right. And I think we need to use, so we will manage it on later. This time we just design that. And we use border will be none. Font size I'm going to use 0.9 rem. Display block, and I'm going to use, I do not use display block, I just use cursor pointer. and background I'm going to use will be hash 4CAF50, right? And also I'm going to use color white, transition all 0.5 SSA. Also we need to select that to assign the hover effect, and the hover effect I'm going to use background will be hash 388E3C, and I'm going to use padding top and bottom 0.5 em, left and right 2.5 em. So let's see, right? Cool. So let's select the where it is extra. Inside the extra have a button tag like this one, and also forget password. So we need to select that and manage it. So I select that and I use the display flex and align item center. Justify content, I'm going to use space between to move the content in the right side, right? And also I'm going to use margin top and bottom 1.6 rem and left and right 0 to make a space. And I think everything is clear on there, right? So I select the anchor link and just use text decoration will be none, text decoration none, color will be wide. So perfect. So we are able to use that to create a registration form, right? So we just get that, copy complete code and go to your style, page, not style that. Outside of there you just use register.html. Inside there you need to paste the all code and go to your index.html page. Inside your register now link you need to use register.html cell. So let's check it now. When I click on that, we need to sell that, and when I click on that I'm able to see register.html in the top of the page, as you can see. But we need to fix the issue, like change the register, and like this one is the register, and then this will be, I'm gonna use already have an I don't need to use that. And there inside there I just use, if you already have an account, so inside there I just use login now. So inside there I need to use index.html page, right? So register, and already have an account, click to login now. I'm able to see login page, register. So we need to add multiple input boxes. So this is the paste. So username, enter your username. I remove the email, and the next one I'm gonna add, that will be, just a minute, I'm gonna check my icon name. So first I'm gonna save that, enter your username, and the next one I'm gonna use enter your email, and next one on the enter your email, right? So inside there I just changed envelope, right, username, email, and we just need to use this code paste second time. So for username, email, password, and this will be confirm password. So enter your confirm password. So let's see. So our login and registration has been completed right now, guys. So I'm gonna open my I'm gonna close that and I'm gonna open it again, and I'm gonna show you one by one. So this is our login form. When I click on the register, now I'm able to see the register input fields. I'm able to see a register button. When I click on the login, now I'm able to see the login page. So I hope you understood as well how you can create a login and registration form using HTML and CSS3. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day, guys.